All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Mana, Decentraland. Yeah, this cryptocurrency is up around 17% right now. We're going to check that out. We're also going to go ahead and talk about Hillary Clinton, what she thinks of cryptocurrency in the United States. We got a little thing we want to dig into that. And then also Mr. Wonderful on Shark Tank, what his cryptocurrency portfolio is. Now it's almost 10%. We're going to dig into that. So we got three good subjects. This is a bonus video we're bringing you today on Sunday. We know Tom Brady's been talking about what's been going on, what he's getting into. You know he's getting into cryptocurrency. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single buddy learn about cryptocurrency, understand it, know how to buy it, know how to track it, know where to get it, everything there is to know about cryptocurrency. So let's sit back, let's enjoy this bonus video. Let's head over to Mana. All right, over here at Coin Market, number 32 on the planet, Decentraland Mana. It's being traded at $3.71 right this second. Let's take a look. It's up 17% in the last 7 days, and it's down about 6%. Number 32, right there next to Ethereum Classic. Very familiar with that. Why we're here, we got Cosmos at number 35, trading at $29.62. Let's pop over to the top 10 real quick, and we'll come back to number 32, Mana. Right now, Bitcoin is under 60,000 at number 1. It's down about 7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum still very, very healthy at 43.52. It's down 4% in the last 7 days, but it's still at over 4,300. Binance Coin is at number 3, almost 600, 589. It's down about 8% in the last 7 days. Tether is right there at number 4. Solana's number 5. It's up about 6% last 24 hours. $229 a coin. Cardano, $1.86, down about 7% in the last 7 days. XRP is at number 7, trading at about $1.07. That's down about 9% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's at number 8, $41.33, down about 9%. This could be where your discount is if you're looking to buy a crypto at a discount. You got Cardano and you got Polkadot, 9% down, 10% down. Dogecoin at number 10 is down 13%. So if you're looking for a discount on getting into cryptocurrency, you got a couple right there in the top 10. So again, over here at number 32, Mana, trade at $3.71. It's up 17% in the last 7 days. Last 24 hours, it is down about 6%, trading at $3.70. Take a look in the last 7 days. This coin was down about $3. And it's been going up, and it's been going up, and it's going up the mountain. You got to take that ATM vehicle up this mountain here. So this coin is up in the last 7 days. It's got a market cap of $6.7 billion. So what is Decentraland Mana? Decentraland Mana defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, experience, and monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering of ICO that was conducted in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public February of 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experience on their parcels of land, including interactive games, sprawling 3D scenes, and a variety of other interactive experience. Decentraland uses 2 tokens, Mana and Land. Mana is an ERC20 token that must be burned to acquire non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. Mana tokens also can be used to pay for the range of avatars, wearables, names, and more on decentralized marketplace. Let's head over to the website. Over here at the website here, decentraland.org. Welcome to Decentraland. Create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by itself. Get started. Says Decentraland, sign in and create an account. Play using your wallet, connect your wallet. You knew it. You could do your MetaMask, wallet connection, whatever one you want to go ahead and connect with. Over here to the right, you can continue and you can play as a guest. So there's some good stuff you could do right there. It says explore, lose yourself in an amazing, evolving world. Explore lands owned by the users to experience incredible scenes, structures, from space adventures to medieval dungeons, mazes, entire villages crafted by the minds of the community members. Start exploring. Test the limits of your imagination. Create the scenes, the artwork, the challenges, and more using the simple builder tool that takes place in the events to win the prizes. For more experienced creators, the SDK provides the tools to fill the world with social games and applications. The SDK provides the tools to fill the world with social games and applications. Start building today or start developing. Trade the virtual destination for digital assets. Buy and sell land, estates, avatar wearables, and names in the Decentraland marketplace. Stocking the very best digital goods and backed by the Ethereum blockchain. It says can't decide where to start. You got all kinds of things to choose from. About Decentraland. Determine the future of the virtual world. The first fully decentralized world. Decentraland is controlled via the DOO which owns most important smart contracts and assets the decentralized land via the DOO. So we got all kinds of things going on with Mana here. Decentraland, pretty cool cryptocurrency, number 32 on the planet. We're going to come back to this. Let's go ahead and see what Hillary Clinton is saying about cryptocurrency. Hillary, do you like it? Do you not like it? Well, here we go. Hillary Clinton says cryptocurrency has the potential to destabilize the nation and traditional currencies. So there's Hillary. So right here, Hillary Clinton addresses the mining and trading of cryptocurrency. She warns about the rise of the new crypto technologies, the complex relationship between the U.S., China, and Russia. And right here it says Hillary Clinton isn't a fan of cryptocurrency. She thinks its a widespread adoption could undermine the traditional currencies, including the dollar, big and small. Look what's very interesting and somewhat exotic effort to literally mine new coins in order to trade them has the potential to undermine the currency. The undermining the role of the dollar as a reserve currency for destabilizing the nation, perhaps starting with small ones and then going large, she says. Clinton comments some of the counter grapples with both of the adoption and the regulations of cryptocurrency. She reminds us that China banned it and the private use of cryptocurrency, making all cryptocurrency-related business activity illegal. And they recently passed a $1 trillion bill. The $1 trillion U.S. bill brings together the rules of crypto trading taxes. Yeah, here's the thing. China may have banned the cryptocurrency of this and that, but we got the Staples Center in L.A., Los Angeles, getting renamed, to crypto.com. And it's a 20-year deal. So for 20 years, we're going to be in the Staples Center, not the Staples Center, crypto.com arena in Los Angeles, and we're going to be talking about crypto. So there may be a lot of the mainstream and a lot of people not liking the cryptocurrency, but you got Tom Brady pumping it, you got all kinds of people pumping it, and the reality is it's not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, here Kevin O'Leary says his crypto holdings today are almost 10%. Here's what he decided to which to invest in. So Mr. Wonderful, we all know him. We all know Mr. Wonderful from the Shark Tank. Well, he says during a recent interview, the Shark Tank investor, he has nearly almost 10% of his portfolio in cryptocurrency. At the beginning, he started off with about 3%, and then it grew to about 7% by the end of the year. But with everything appreciating and the assets going up so much, he almost has 10% of his portfolio in cryptocurrency. O'Leary declined to disclose all of his holdings, but he did own that he owns Bitcoin as his largest cryptocurrency, and he owns Ethereum as his second largest cryptocurrency. So right here we got Kevin O'Leary from Mr. Wonderful from the Shark Tank with 10% of his portfolio in cryptocurrency. So I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think? Hillary Clinton doesn't like cryptocurrency. Doesn't sound like she's for it. Kevin O'Leary seems like he is for it. He's got 10% of his own personal money invested in it. Give us your comments in the bottom what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. There's all kinds of things going on with this crypto.com. We like it, I like it, but a lot of fans don't like the name of it. I don't know about that. Let's go ahead and head back over to Mana. So over here at number 32, Mana Decentraland, again, it's up about 17% in the last 24 hours. What's my prediction? Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. I see this coin going to $5 sometime in 2022. I mean, it's at $3.71. It's up 17%. Everybody's starting to hear about it. Everybody's starting to do the virtual world. I like this coin. I see it going up in the future. All the information is for educational purposes only. Again, over here at Mana, the decentralized land marketplace, just wanted to kind of show you this real quick. I mean, you got all kinds of things, black Santa hats that you can look at, royal hearts that you can purchase. I mean, here's the things that you can buy. Red Santa hat, you can go ahead and get. So if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy the red Santa hat. So right at the marketplace, you can go ahead and get all kinds of different things. If you want to look at the parcels and estates, you can do that. Click on the estates and kind of get deep into this marketplace. Go a little deeper. And we can go ahead and jump right in. And then we would connect our wallet. So with it, this was a bonus video here on Sunday. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget, Tom Brady's going to be pumping cryptocurrency all day, making sure everybody knows what he's getting into, which is fantastic. Mana, give us your thoughts. Do you have a little bit of it? Are you going to get a little bit of it? Is this going to be on your radar? We think it's a pretty good coin. Number 32 cryptocurrency on the planet. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Again, our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. Hillary Clinton doesn't seem to be for it. We got all kinds of people like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban that are for it. So we got stadiums that are going to be for 20 years, be named crypto.com. I don't see it going anywhere, guys. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock. And on the bonus videos, it's Monday through Friday around 7 o'clock. Today's a bonus video on Sunday. Hey, let's have a great day, everybody.